Our innovation is inspired by nature. In this amazing and exuberant network that connects the entire world in constant improvement, our innovation is more than something we just put into practice. It's a principle. Creating this center shows how important this is. We combine science and technology to develop our products. Our priority is to use the exclusive ingredients of the Amazon biodiversity and the cultural richness of the region's people. We use 3D bioprinted human skin models to study each active ingredient's power and to verify its effectiveness on skin, hair, and microbiome balance. We use biotechnology to transform molecules and create new ingredients. We partner with startups, universities, and science and technology institutes around the world. We also co-create innovative products with consultants and consumers. The Natura Innovation Center seeks to provide an amazing sensory experience that offers well-being to people and the planet. Because to us at Natura, only innovation if it actually generates a positive impact.